Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something very exciting and delicious recipe, and that is chicken pesto pasta. So we will make our pesto sauce. We'll make pesto not from the garapon, but we will make it from scratch. So here are my ingredients. I have 2 cups of fresh Italian basil. I have, salamat gid sa naghatag sang pine nuts. I have here pine nuts, amo ni siya, pine nuts. And then, this is Parmesan cheese, and then garlic, pepper, salt, and 1 cup olive oil, and a few squeeze of lemon. Pero, we will need this, no? We will need our food processor. So this time, we will have our garlic. This is 6 cloves of garlic which has been crushed. And then we will put in our ano bidason? Okay. Number 2 is we add our olive oil. Karon na lang tugangan ta lang. And then we will add our salt and pepper. Dito lang para di kuan. Ay basi madagdag. Salt and pepper. And then we'll blend it. Ready? Get set. This is noisy. Ini siya. We will. Ay. Gawod. Okay. Next is we will add our basil. Ay, no. This is Italian basil. Kamot, no? So, bango-bango. You have to use the leaves only. Igo ay hani. Ay, nako. Mas hindi. Sige lang. Puno-puno. This is a pila ganin capacity sa aton nga kuan ang aton bilang mga donors. Gamay ni kuno aton nga. Our so donor kung ara ikaw okay, we will grind. Okay, lang. If there is a need to add more oil, we will add oil. We'll add more. This is olive oil, by the way. Ambot pwede man guro mantika. Pwede man na guro. Kung wala gani kasang pine nuts, peanuts. Letter P man na. Oh. There. Let's see. Look here. Oh. Siguro this is the time to add our pine nuts. This is supposed to be 1/4 cup. Pero dugangan ta. Ginubra ko 1/2 cup. And then, this is Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. There. Let us add. Kung kulang gani karon, let's add more liquid. Ang aton nga pine nuts, mga bilog-bilog. Dali lang, ay pa maubos ka blend. I think I need to add more, more oil. Nakap, bye-bye. Oh, kabukal-bukal. So it should be nice that we have gritty pine nuts. Okay. So pwede na ni siguro, or do you think we need more parmesan? Let me try. Namit sa burya. Namit kali. And then this is the juice. No, para lang hindi ko na mag-brown ang amon we will put a few dash of lemon. Pwede ko namit man bala. Okay, I'm done. Okay, tapos na ni. So, we will now proceed with our cooking our pasta. Our pasta has been cooked. Our chicken is boiled with little salt and pepper and then diced. We use only the fleshy part of the chicken, the breast. And then this is penne pasta cooked in package direction. Okay, so dali lang. Okay, so we will now heat this one and then our sauce. Up. Dali lang kita ni kanugon man nga we will have to scrape. Ay, okay. Next is we will add in some of this. We will not use everything kasi isog-isog gadaan ni. So we will keep some. And then we'll add in our chicken. Aha. Aray, init. Mm. And then add in our pasta. Tayon to lang guro, hindi man din nato pag-ubuson base kun. Okay. So look. Okay, we are tossing our sauce, pesto sauce, and then chicken, and then wow, I just cannot imagine how much is the calories per serving. Never mind. Don't count calories, only count scores. Okay, ara na siya. So dali lang kita kay I will now get ready to show this to you. Dali lang, ha? Okay. I am just shaving some Gouda cheese. Para magnamit. Okay. Dason. Ay, hala. Sa akon ka OA-han, dugangan tato na Parmesan cheese. No calorie countings, please. Ay, karon dugay-dugay mo. Bra naman kita sa aton nga mga tasks. Okay, dali lang. So, I will garnish. Anay, dali lang. Balik lang to. So, this is our finished product. We have our pesto, chicken, pasta, and then we made our own bread. No? So, this is balsamic and olive oil. Kanta everyone. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Dali.